Another unboxing from Quick Tech Take. This is a JSAUX 25 watts PD charger. I got this for my iPhone. It would be nice to see if it will charge my laptop, but I'm not hopeful it will. But it would be nice to see if it will even show the charge indicator. Yes, here's a 25 watts USB-C charger. I don't know what Samsung is doing here on the box. So you can see it says Samsung, and it's a new PD charger. I got this for 13 bucks or 12. Can't remember what was the exact figure. So let's cut it open and see what's inside. Okay, that's it. We're in. Okay, a tiny small pamphlet, typical of JSAUX, and this is the charging brick. Set that to the side. Feels pretty nice. Seems it's made from pretty high quality materials. Feels nice. Gonna take off this plastic film. If I can find a spot to do it, seems pretty glued tight. But nevertheless, let's see if it's gonna charge my iPhone. So this is my iPhone. This is my Type-C cord. So I'm having issues connecting. Okay, that's connected. Let's plug it in, and it's charging. See, it works. In case you have any doubts, as you can see up there, it's working. Take it out again. Lock the screen. Put it back up. So you can see it's charging. So it works. It can charge my phone. I'm gonna do test charging speed test later. This is just an unboxing for now. So it's gonna be pretty intriguing, but I just want to see if it can, probably charge my laptop. It's a Legion 5 Pro, so I'm gonna get a compatible Type-C cable. So I'm gonna connect it to my PD port over here, and hopefully the charging light comes on. Oh, damn, it doesn't come on. So I guess 25 watts is too low a watt to work with the Legion 5 Pro. I was hoping maybe, just maybe, it could charge, maybe not operate, like the laptop is currently switched off right now. So I was hoping maybe it could charge so it could also function as a smartphone or laptop charger. In case you want to travel, you can just plug it and leave it in. It might take a while, but eventually maybe an overnight charge will get it up to 100%. But as you can see, it didn't work. So just for comparison's sake, I'm going to get a 65 watt charger so we can do it side by side. Let's see. So I'm going to switch it to Amazon Basics, and as you can see, the indicator light comes on. So it's not the cable, it's just the fact that this guy doesn't output enough power to charge our PD laptop. One thing I noticed, the connectors don't fold in, so you have to deal with this guy sticking out all the time, unlike this guy, which can simply fold out neatly and slide into your bag or purse. But this is it, guys. 25 watt charger. It charges my iPhone, and I believe it should fast charge any It should fast charge most Samsung devices, which I believe goes up to 30 watts, but at least should give you some pretty decent speed. And this should fast charge any iPhone up to iPhone 13 Pro Max. So that's it, guys. Like, share, and subscribe to Quick Tech Take, and have a good one.